Hello, good afternoon, 6th of March, and thought I'm gonna make a quick video. I had this iPad Pro. Is it iPad Pro? Yeah, iPad Pro, the big slate. It came iPad Pro. The model is A1584. It came as no power, dead, and we tried it. Um, the voltages and stuff. So there was a low voltage, and I also noticed that it was heating up some region, so I'm going to tell you where. But and A1 model, A1, what was that? A1, I need to write down the model for reference sake. A1548 something, A1584, A1584. So yeah, so that came as a dead, no power, and the problem was it had a shortage on the board, and give us a clue where to work for, and then did a freeze test, and it did work. So it powered on. It was dead. I was trying to look for it on ZXW. They have iPad Pro 4G 9.7 inch, not the one I have, a 1584. Also the Easy Draw, they didn't have it too. So anyway, what I did, I'm going to show you. That's also for my record too, that if it comes in future, then where to look for and what to do. Also I'm gonna okay, so that power on, we need code for it. So let's say code required. Okay, let's go inside and let's have a look. What did we do? What was the culprit? What was the reason it was not powering on? I'll try and power it off first. So 5th of March, yesterday, we have hens at home, and one of them laid an egg. Yay! What a surprise! We were waiting for it. The kids were really happy. So they sent me a video. They sent me a WhatsApp video. Okay, so what was the issue here? That one of the cap was shot to ground. I did a freeze test, and luckily it was not messed up board, so it did power on straight away. Because if it had been gone somewhere, and they would have done something else. Like if the power is not coming on, they would try all sorts of stuff first. What I noticed on this, that it was heating up. I'll show you under microscope. Let me just disconnect the battery. Put the okay, so the thing was that when I did was testing it, I noticed that this IC was heating up. Yeah, and then I did a beep test, and I've noticed that. Okay, let me just adjust the camera. These three caps, I'm trying to adjust it for you. Yeah, so these three caps, they were short. This one is ground, but that side is not ground. So initial test was just to test if the board was heating up with the charging block connected and the battery connected. When the both were connected, the phone was heating up at this region here. And then I normal beep test showed me that these caps are short to ground. And when I did a power supply test and put power supply on 3 volts, put one probe on the ground, and anywhere on the ground I put it on the ground, and then one put here, and had a freeze test spray, and we found out one of the cap, this cap, was short to ground. So we removed that cap, and I don't have you know, the schematic or map or anything, so I can't tell you which cap it is, what it's called, but it is around this region. That was short to ground. So if you have any of these kind of devices, have a look for a short, try a power supply test, and that could give you a clue. So yeah, this was the one, we done that. So I'll make a video of it to share with you guys, and also for our record sake, that I'm gonna keep it. Right, another thing I noticed that here, the display, but that's simple. So it was just the wire from one place to another. I have not done much of the part changing components replacing on it yet, because I do not have any of them in stock at the moment. It's a new device. I asked the customer, do they have any warranty on it? This one has been void, so I said, okay, then we have to work on the board, remove the shields and stuff. That's why I had to cut this shield here. You see that it's been cut from here to there, and yeah, so this was it. Just fix the device. Happy days. So this is the cap. It's been removed, and I'm also gonna take a picture of it, keep it for my record sake. I might attach that picture with this video. We're gonna wait for a customer to give us a code so we can test rest of the stuff on it, and then give it back to the customer. Hopefully done and dusted, no more surprises inside. I hope not. So this is it. I'm gonna finish this video here, make some more videos later on. Thank you very much. Ta-da, bye bye.